What's happening, ladies and gents? As you all know, we've been doing the RS Turbo. Currently we're doing the turbo. What we got in this, this is another job in itself. So yeah, that, my friends, is a brand new heater matrix which we need to replace, put in. So we'll show you how to do that. There sits the heater matrix. Look at that screw. Looks right. We took the other part of the heater control out. Now I'm gonna just undo this, because apparently we need to get this out. Look at this bodge wiring, man. Well, it is an old car, but even still need to put it back properly. Right, let's see what connections we're gonna get from here. That literally unplugs from there. Lovely. Oh, is that one of them cables? How does that cable undo then? Just undoing the screw behind there to get the vent out. I'm not going to take that heater control out because them cables can be a bit iffy. Literally just lifted it from the bottom here. Right, so theoretically, yeah, nice and easy. Bring it out like that. I'm sticking the screw back in there so I don't lose it, or I'm going to put it back in there so I don't lose it. Remember, it was down like that, boom, boom. So when you go back in, literally down like that, and then yeah, I'll show you after. Right. You know, I removed all that. This is a bit of a madness. There sits the heater matrix. Look at that screw. Looks lovely, doesn't it? And there's the other one up there, which ain't too bad. Alright, that's how the heater box sits. One up there, and there must be one on the other side. Okay. Alright. I might try taking out the matrix as it situes, rather than undoing all this. Surprisingly, this rusty one from down there actually came out. Lovely. Right, it's all well and good undoing it from in there. Now when you come outside, if you look on the bulkhead there, there's the pipes for your heater matrix. Whoosh! Right, you can get your screwdriver in through the right over here. I'm just undoing this bottom hose, well, the Jubilee. Let's oh, it should come in. That's one, the bottom one. So now alright, you can go through the same way on the side.
No, the exhaust, I mean, exhaust.
Oh, what, the exhaust manifold you had a leak on, and it got sorted.
From me, everything is okay, everything done.
Woo!
Flames come out. Flames come out the back. You wanna see it? Little purple one though.
Here, yeah?
everyone loves seeing a Skyline, but it's back to work on the turbo. Plan is now, got to change the fuel pump, which is totally different to the heat matrix. But yeah, that needs doing. And I literally need to do the wiring in here, sort that out a bit. I'm literally just gonna probably either change the connectors or just join it for now, just to test. We got heating and everything, no leaks, and then we can start putting things back together. Right, while my brother does the fuel pump, I'm gonna see if I can figure out where this wire connects to. It may well basically be just to illuminate the control panel, but we shall find out. I'm just doing here as a continuity test. That's definitely not a connection there then. Just checking that one. That makes a connection, or there's a break or something. No, that makes a connection. So there's not a break in that. Right, I've just kind of figured out they've taken power or something from this wiring, which is totally wrong place, for the boost gauge. But we're still trying to find the power, original power from this, because we want to get this illuminating. And currently this wasn't working for some reason, so I'd rather just sort it out. I'm sure these used to be common faults that they used to go, but I just want to have a look at the wiring, may even test if the actual motor itself works. And here's another thing what I've noticed, that should not be that loose. Right, I'm going to leave Spaghetti Junction alone for now. We're going to start her up, make sure we got no leaks or nothing, fingers crossed, and yeah, then we'll try resolving this issue as well. Right, here we go. No signs of no leaks. Check the blowers quickly as well. Works from in here. Huh? Alright, they work, so I can put that panel back in. We know there's no leaks or nothing, so I may just start putting this back together. Right, I just figured out that bodged wiring. Look, oi, stop it. Right, we're getting rid of this little system here because it just seems useless. Right, come on.
Can't see.
That's it. Cut it. Lovely. And I'm just going to join it up to that because it's another ground, and yeah, that was just bodge up.
Put a body connector and stick it on that one.
Well, I'm going to do that because they're both grounds and they both make a connection. Right, now we've sorted out the wiring a bit, let's get these vents back in. Can you move your finger please? Like,
Oil once you put it in.
yeah, well, just like that. You have that back in position. Plug that back in like so. Put that in like so. Screw please you. Lovely. Beautiful. In we go, like so. This would be electric roof. Can I try it?
No,
Why?
it's not been open in many moons.
Well, I'm going to try it anyway.
No.
Head unit back in. Let's listen to some bangers, mate. Right, time to get this centre back in. All taken back place how it should go, thankfully. Like so. That's broken there, yo. 1-2 screws on each side there. Yeah, literally, there you go.
Ladies and gents, as always, I'm truly grateful for you supporting the channel, and I hope this has helped you how to change your heater matrix on your RS Turbo rather than removing the dashboard. That's the way we can do it, but it's entirely up to you. But hopefully it's made it easier. And the next video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to test your wiring loom on your Peugeot 306 D Turbo, because they're common of breaking and everything. And what I've done, I end up chopping the loom off, so I don't know what wire goes where. So that's the next video anyway. But yeah, we're close to hitting 500 subscribers, so please, please, please do hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, like always, and yeah, much appreciated for you all supporting my channel. Bless, love, peace.